Guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this wig encounter hair right here. That's what the packaging looks like. It comes with the hair, it comes with a wig cap, and it also comes with the description of the hair and the instruction of how to take care of your hair. So that's what the hair looks like straight from the box. The hair is coily with fringe and it's in the length 18 inches. It has 6 inches parting, and guess what guys, the knot has been bleached straight from the box. This hair is like a beginner friendly kind of hair because everything has been done for you. All you need is just cut the lace and you're good to go. So that's what the hair looks like. So I wear the hair and showed you guys what the hair looks like, and bear in mind that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight for the box as well. So I put the hair up and I used the got to be glue to lay the hair flat on my head, and yeah, I just installed the hair really we got to be glue, and I showed you guys the style I will go for wearing this hair. I'm quite surprised about the fact that there is nothing, like nothing left for you to do, because everything has been done straight from the box. So if you're the type that you're like a novice when it comes to wig, then I will highly recommend that you get this wig. Everything I'm doing in this video is self-explanatory, and bear in mind that you can style the hair anyhow you like. I actually showed you guys like 1, 2, 3 styles that I would go for wearing this hair, but depending on the look you want to go for with this hair, you have loads and loads of options. Despite the fact that the hair has fringe, you can also style it like normal lace wig without the fringe, so it's quite versatile. I really like that about the hair. So apart from that, I just cut the fringe just to suit my own face, but you have enough hair on the wig to be able to style the fringe however you like, but that's what I go for. Wow. I really like it. I really like it. So bear in mind that the hair was actually curly straight from the box, but I decided to add one curl because I know most people like one curl recently, and well, I am a fan as well, so I decided to go for one curl, and that's me just curling the hair, showing you all the type of styles that you could go for. And also another thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair looks tiny bit longer than 18, let's say like roughly 20 inches in my opinion. They're quite very generous with their length, so I really like that about the hair as well. And the most important thing about this hair so far for me is the quality of the hair, guys. The hair felt really silky, and I mean very silky, so I really like that about the hair. And also I showed you guys another style that I would go for, which is curly the coil the top of the hair for more voluminous look. So if you are the type that like that kind of style, then that's also an option for you. So that's most of the reason why I like this hair. It's so versatile. You can style it anyhow you like, guys, anyhow you like. So that's another look down the drain. I really like that as well. Then voila, I changed the style again, guys. Look at that. How versatile is this hair? Just tell me tell me what you think. I really like it and I am loving it. But in this case, I really didn't actually straighten all the hair. I just showed you guys that this is another option that you go for. I just straightened like 3 or 4 pieces of the hair from the hair, just to give you an idea of the style that you would go for. But if you have the time and you want to straighten the hair, feel free to straighten the hair however you like. So stay tuned for the review. I also forgot to mention that the hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. You can use that to secure the hair if you like, in case you don't want to use glue or gel. And also the hair also comes with an elastic strap at the back of it, in case you want to use that as well to secure the hair. So you have different types of options to secure the hair without having to go for a glue or a gel. So that's me just straightening the hair. I just did like 3 piece or 4 piece, just to show you guys an alternative style, or another style you call it. So that's just it so far. I am a huge fan of this hair, and I also want to say thank you guys for all your support. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking my videos and commenting on my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the wig encounter fringe hair right here. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this wig encounter hair right here. I'm just going to quickly go through the specification for you guys. The hair type is Indian Remy hair, and the hair color is natural black. The hair length is 18 inches. The hair density is 150 density. Cap construction is glueless, 6-inch pattern space, lace front wig, and baby hair around the perimeters, natural Preplucked hairline. It's Swiss lace material, and the lace color is light brown, and the cap size is average. So I'm just going to go through every single details with you guys. The first thing I noticed is the fact that the hair has baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, so in case you want to wear the hair hold back just like your normal lace wig without the fringe, it has baby hair around the perimeters of it. And another thing I noticed is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, guys, straight from the box, so there was no need for me to do any customization on the hair at all. And also another thing I noticed is the fact that the hair has 6-inch pattern up to here, so you can pat the hair anywhere you like within the 13x6 lace. So depending on what look you're going for, I actually showed you guys all the type of hairstyles that will go for wearing this hair. There are still a lot of styles that you could go for wearing this hair, but I decided to show you guys 1 or 2 of the styles that would go for, if not 3, just because I don't want the video to be too long. So depending on the look you're going for, you can style the hair anyhow you like. Another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is really amazing. The hair is really soft. Look at that. There have been no tangling, no shedding whatsoever throughout the styling process of the hair. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling at all. So for me, the quality of the hair is just top notch in my opinion. And another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that it also comes with a Swiss lace, guys. The Swiss lace, like seriously, for the price I'm just wowed, like wowed. So I really like the quality of the hair. I like the material of the lace that was used to make the hair. So in case you want to pat the hair, it's going to look as natural as ever, like very natural. Because it's my first fringe hair, so I was not quite sure if I should go for long fringe or short fringe, but I just decided to cut it to be able to see myself or see my eyes on the camera anyway. But they give you guys enough hair on the fringe in case you want to have longer fringe, depending on how you want your own fringe. So there's enough hair on that fringe for you guys to work with, so that I really like a lot. So it's left to you to cut it or leave it the way it comes straight from the box. So that's your choice entirely. So you don't have to cut it if you don't want to, but for me, I just decided to go for a short one because I am always very scared that fringe hair doesn't suit me. But this one has actually completely changed my opinion about fringe hair. I'm quite loving it so far, and I quite like the fact that I could go for any style that I love, that I like with this hair. And if I like, I could decide to change it to the normal lace wig, like every other lace wig without fringe. So that for me, it's a no-brainer. The thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair is actually 18 inches, but it looks so much like 20 inches. So in my opinion, I feel they are very generous with their lengths, which is what I really like about the hair as well. And also the curl pattern from the butt is really amazing. The hair was already coily, like proper coily, even before applying my one curls on the hair. I really like the curl pattern straight from the box. So if you like, you can decide not to curl the hair, it's your choice. If you like, you can decide to straighten the hair, it's also your choice. And bear in mind, you can also bleach the hair to any color of your choice, because the hair is 100% human hair. So you can bleach it, you can dye it, you can tongue it, you can do whatever you like with the hair. So in terms of shipping, the hair took about 3 days to get here in the UK, so depending on whatever you have, but their shipping was really quick. 3 days is quite reasonable enough in my opinion. And also the texture of the hair is Indian remy, and the hair is really full. It's 150 density, and you can be able to tell that it's very full, almost like 180 in my opinion. It's so full, so you can use the opportunity to style the hair however you like. I quite like the fact that I can manipulate the hair to suit my face, but well, it's left to you what look you want to go for anyway. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the render and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.